Video.
Hi!
Population are now nesting. Parang talagang full swing na ito ngayon. They still have less than 10 na non-breeding pa, pero late afternoon pang wait din. So yun. It started mga February. Naging habit yun na. Hindi nga nila malaman kung if they will consider this a wetland or ano eh. Kasi with this population, masurpass pa na. Eh, sa atin kasi merong kwan eh, merong mali kasi yung egret sa Kalabaw, pero yung title the Carabao and the Hero. Pero di ba? Natatanda mo ba yun? The Carabao and the Hero.
Magka-campus sila dito sa
Yeah, we were here yesterday for an the other day for an ocular kasi ang mga experts shadow pa lang alam na nila. Yeah, the or very good. Like they call for example the collared kingfisher has several names internationally. Because remember, ang birds, hindi lang dito sa atin, malaki naman ng club namin yan. We have a bigger database on the Philippines than Cornell. So actually, it's a two-way process. But eventually, we have to give in and be global because we have a responsibility also to the rest of the scientific community. And I am just an ordinary person helping, the scientists and biologists. Ako, I admire at how they were able to keep the birds in the city. Kasi city na kayo and you still have a lot of birds that probably in Luzon you can only see in the forest, no? Kasi they have been pushed further out. Kayo, you still have them and I think you're very lucky. That's it.